Hi guys! Get ready with us. Y'all, I forgot to wear my headband. Okay, now let's go with our toner. Or you spray it. Oh, okay. Okay, now let's go with our Drink Elephant moisturizer. Okay, let's plump. So pretty! Wow, I look amazing. Wow, it's on my hair. So cool. Look at my... I love my henna. I love my ring. I love my nails. Like, I'm so perfect, guys. ASMR. Okay, so now we're done with the moisturizer. Now let's go with our lippy. Okay, sorry for my laugh. Oh my gosh. And aren't I so pretty? Wow, I got this from Tira Tira. That's my teeth! Okay. Now let's go with our lashes. So ASMR. Wow, I'm such a professional. Queen never cry. Kailangan ko lang eyebrows. Yes! This is our skincare. I'm such a baddie. This is actually my mom's hand, and y'all see my hand? I'm a kid, so... Yeah, her skin is glowing, everybody. And she's back! I'm super happy, guys. Like, so, yeah. Love you. She just came. And it's a bit late, so we're gonna sleep. So, bye, guys. Love you.